Africa, hello Uganda, hello Busoga. My name is Trendy Douglas and I'm here to say thank you so much and also to appreciate the first Deputy Prime Minister of Uganda, the Minister for East African Community, the Chairman Busoga Tourism Board, and also the woman member of Parliament, Kamuli District, Right Honorable Rebecca Alituala Kadaga, and also to appreciate so much the Right Honorable Owekitibwa Hellen Namutamba, the Minister for Busoga Tourism and Cultural Heritage. Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at me right here. I'm a proud student of Purpose Skills Clinic, courtesy of those two ladies. Mwebale ino kwenda Busoga mama, mwebale ino kutuenda ife abanabitone, the creatives of Busoga. Thank you so much Mama Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga kutuikiririzamu na kutuwanga buyambi whenever we come up to you. Owekitibwa Hellen Namutamba webale kuikiriza mubana abanabitone be Busoga na kutuwanga buyambi whenever we come to you. We promise you one thing, we are gonna make you proud. You are gonna be proud. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking forward to being one of the most phenomenal, iconic journalists and media personalities in Uganda. I'm so excited, I'm so happy. I'm going back to class. Thank you so much. Baba Iseife Chabazinga, William Wilberforce Kadumbla na Diope Owokuna afumbuwe ebyamba nebyamba obusoga okwisanya na mani mbendaino.